Hi! In front of me is Vivo X80 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can change theme of this smartphone. First of all, you need to access Devices, Settings and tap on Lock Screen and Wallpaper. Then select Themes section and tap on Download More. After that, just tap on the best theme for you. I will go with maybe that one. Select Download and wait. Now tap on Apply, wait again, and when I click Home button, or not at all apparently, as you can see, theme of my smartphone has changed. But if you want to go back into the default one, you can always do that from the same settings by tapping on this atmosphere theme, then selecting Apply. If you wish to delete one of your downloaded themes, you can do that from the same settings by tapping on the one that you wish to delete and choosing the spin icon at the bottom left corner. Lastly, confirming your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!